Capricorn, this year isn't just another climb up the mountain. This is the year the mountain itself shifts beneath you. You're known for structure, resilience, and hard-earned success. But this year's cosmic patterns are tearing down what's outdated and rebuilding what's true. If life's foundations have felt shaky, it's not random, it's transformation. For the full cosmic context, watch our anchor video, Why 2025 Feels So Spiritually Intense. But today, let's explore how these once-in-a-lifetime shifts are rewriting your story, Capricorn. You thrive in order, stability, and long-term plans. But 2025's rare Venus-Saturn-Neptune alignment challenges your need for control. Saturn, your ruling planet, is asking, what have you built out of fear instead of purpose? The solar maximum's unpredictable waves will test your patience, your systems, and your trust. But it's also awakening your creative side. For a sign that usually relies on logic, this year teaches you to listen to intuition. Spiritually, Capricorn, this year opens your crown chakra in a way that may feel uncomfortable at first. You're used to climbing with a plan. But this year, your map is rewritten by intuition, synchronicities, and inner knowing. You'll feel drawn to release old expectations from your family, your career, even your own self-image. The truth is, the identity you've built isn't breaking down, it's evolving. This is your spiritual rebirth through discipline and trust. In career and purpose, 2025 brings hidden truths to light. You may discover that what you've been working toward no longer fulfills you. Don't panic. This is divine redirection, not failure. Many Capricorns will experience sudden shifts in leadership roles or new opportunities to build something meaningful. If you've been clinging to outdated structures, companies, routines, or even old dreams, this year's energy says, rebuild smarter, not harder. In love and relationships, this year challenges your emotional walls. Capricorns often protect their hearts behind work or logic, but this year demands vulnerability. The lesson? Strength isn't control, it's connection. For some, this means meeting someone who mirrors your emotional maturity. For others, it's realizing that stability without passion no longer works. Don't fear these revelations. They're clearing the path for lasting bonds built on honesty and equality. The hidden truth for you, Capricorn, is this. 2025 isn't just about career, love, or identity. It's about rewriting your legacy. What you build this year, emotionally, spiritually, and practically, sets the foundation for the next decade of your life. It's not about holding on to power. It's about mastering purpose. Your best strategy this year isn't over-planning. It's steady realignment. Try journaling not about tasks, but about feelings. Reconnect with nature's cycles. And remember, even when the climb feels steep, you were born for this altitude. Every step you take now is laying bricks for a new world. Not just for you, but for everyone who follows your example. Capricorn, this is your year to rebuild, redefine, and rise. Tell us in the comments, what structures in your life are ready for transformation? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mystical Earthlings. It helps us spread this message to other people looking to understand what may be going on with them. And remember, if you haven't yet, watch our anchor video, Why 2025 Feels So Spiritually Intense, to see how your personal shifts fit into the global awakening. Until next time, stay steady, stay wise, and keep climbing.